I want to, first of all, to thank the people of Garissa town for giving me this honor to stand in this house to represent them as their member of parliament. Special thanks, of course, goes to my predecessor, Honorable Duale, who is now the current Cabinet Secretary of Defense, for his immense contribution to the constituency of Garissa in terms of development, in terms of leadership. Many of my colleagues here ask me whether I will be able to fit in his shoes. Duale, as a leader, a member of parliament, you all know, and I know as well, has been a very astute leader, debater in this house, and at the constituency level, he has established a good foundation for me to build on as the next member of parliament. So I thank all those who contributed to my win, and he also supported me. He was honestly invested so much, both emotional and resources, to ensure that I get elected as a member of this house.